Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:16 p.m., February 16th, 2021, Tuesday, the Tuesday after a long weekend. And I guess Tradestation continued its weekend. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Yes, we can talk about it all day long, but Tradestation definitely had issues today. And it was worldwide, nationwide, whatever you want to call it. The funny thing is, it happened to different people at different times, so it was working. So there's, certain people on certain servers were not affected until later. I got hit pretty hard around 9:40, I believe, 9:35, 9:40. Actually, 9:40 because I got a trade in. I actually got 2 trades in, and then I was down for an hour and a half. Someone else I know contacted me, I think around like 10:15, didn't have any problems. I think it was like 10:15 or 10:30. And then they decided, then they had problems. So basically they had to reboot all their servers or what. There was some redirection issues. I don't know what it was. The funny thing is, I talk about customer service being very important to me and on my channel. And they just don't have it, man. Just send out a message, and they didn't send out a message about, hey, we're experiencing technical difficulties, basically when it came back online. Like, let us know. Supposedly I saw queues of 150. Someone said there were 700 people in the queue. We can go into the Tradestation ordeal all day long. I don't want to focus on that. That's not important. Yes, it does happen. And there's a lot of traders I'm watching on TweetDeck or whatever saying, this has never happened. This has never happened. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. But guess what? You go somewhere else, you're going to have the same problems. You're going to have the same problems. I mean, if you want to go to somewhere like, I don't know, Lightspeed or somewhere else where they charge commissions and that's what you want to do, go ahead. If they start charging commissions at Tradestation again to make a better platform, is that what we want? I don't know. Obviously, you don't want to be stuck in a trade and lose hundreds or thousands of dollars, but there's no real winning situation as a day trader on the retail market. It's just kind of frustrating, but we just have to accept it. So I took a couple trades this morning. One was with my strategy and one was by myself. And after that, I was just looking, basically I was looking at each E-Trade charts. I'm not fully set up there with level 2 data or anything like that. So I just have E-Trade charting, and I was just looking at plays, get set up. So let's go through what I did take, which was HYLN on the strategy, basically at the open here, and took it out through here to the 20 level. Got a nice move up and actually capitalized on most of this move here. Made like 50, 60 bucks. I forgot what it was. Pretty nice. And then Riot stepped up for me, and I liked Riot through, I believe, let me look that up real quick. Yeah, it was 57.50 on Riot here. Pretty much took a small gain on it. Went up to 58.43. I took it off a few bucks. Basically just a little bit. And then the HEXO, I believe was a news play. I don't remember. Yeah, it was a news play. Caught a piece through somewhere around this level. I believe it was through 9. The secondary move through 9 here. And then went up to 920. I got a few shares off. My miss of the day 3 times was CCIV. I tried trading it through this level here, which is 40. Missed this move. And then news came out, huge news. Heard it. I was looking at a different stock. Come over, and this thing was just launching. Never really found my way back. These are 5-minute candles. Never really found my way into it. It halted up. Actually halted down, I believe. Then it kind of got this crazy candle here, and then it was kind of just chopping around. I was looking for it. I did take a 52.50 entry on this candle here, right here, this candle. It actually really worked, but pulled back, and I got out just because I wasn't feeling it 100% because I really liked it over 54. And it would have been like a 50-cent trade, but I only made $1 on that trade. For not having a platform today, I ended the day with 120. I know some people that really killed it today on some trades. But if you ask me, if I look at it, I don't know. It was kind of like a tough day trading kind of day. After a long weekend, markets were gapping up, and look where we are now, pushing down. Dow Industrial's up a bit, NASDAQ down, and SPX down. So I don't know. There's news plays today, definitely news flow. I'm not going to mention any names, but someone really killed it on CCIV during this news play. And I am working to find the best news source. Let me know who you guys use. I've tried Trade the News. I'm using Benzinga Pro right now, and they're pretty good. Probably a second or two, if I can have a second or two more, just to type in, let's say Apple, and then use my hotkeys and order in. That's what it takes. People who trade the news have a methodology of like how they go about it, how they enter size, things like that. Quick thinking, spreads can be insane. Like you go CCIV, right now it's 11 cents, but then, do you just go all in with, 1,000 shares here thinking the news is good? Yeah. I guess if you do it enough and you catch a big one, you're going to, on this particular move up from 40 to 54, you're making a killing. You're making a killing. So I'm trying to really get that in my game, news flow. It's definitely something I think I've been missing out. I focus so much on the charting and intraday action that when a news event occurs, I'd like come over to it and I'm too late to react to it. And then I get, if I want to get in, I'll probably get in up here and get squashed down. So I need to be getting in, in this level here. Obviously this area is really tough, but if I can get in this area, catch the bigger move, that's good too. So, 120 on the day going into Wednesday already, pretty much a lost day with Tradestation across the board. I think a lot of people were a little pissed off. And you know what? You have the right to be. You have a right to be mad. But, you can ask me all the questions you want. I don't know where to tell you to go because I hear about Fidelity issues. I hear about E-Trade issues. I hear about Schwab issues. I hear about so forth. And it's just, it's the same thing, different pile. So just, stick with it. Be cautious at the opening, obviously, even if you like to take that first trade early, which I like to do, but I haven't been until I get really comfortable that the Tradestation is really working. And hopefully this issue will have them look a little bit deeper into their issues. They do have them. And if they can figure it out, maybe we get a better platform in the future. Who knows if they raise rates, commissions, who knows. But I'm not going to really worry about that right now. Oh, I did put out the video this weekend. Definitely got a lot of views. Not the best video. I probably should have done a better job with my quality. I'm not really a big video editor or anything like that. But did get a lot of views considering it was just a PC that I built. Definitely some good feedback on that as well. I do appreciate that. And, more videos ahead. I'll probably do a Stream Deck video this week and put it out this weekend. I couldn't even make it. I couldn't get on the platform today because I have to do it during lunch or something like that where I'm not trading. And hopefully you guys can see how I use that. It's pretty cool. I really like it. We'll see how far it goes from here, but I'm not going to worry about that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. I'll be back tomorrow. You guys have a nice night. And if you have any questions, leave them below. Have a good one.